The new energy battery pack airtightness detector. iSmartEV ET30 is a high-precision, non-destructive testing equipment newly developed by SmartSafe. It mainly uses compressed air as the medium to apply a certain pressure to the inner cavity or surface of the product to be tested, and then uses a high-sensitivity sensor to detect the pressure change to determine the tightness of the product to be tested. This time, the air tightness test was carried out on the battery pack of Honda's new energy vehicle. Equipment accessories include power cord, air inlet pipe, and output air pipe. Use the output port to connect one end of the air pipe to the low-pressure output port and the other end to the tested part. Insert the air inlet pipe into the air inlet of the main engine and connect the other end to the external air source. Connect one end of the power cord provided with the device to the host and the other end to the 220V AC power supply. Turn on the power switch of the main unit. After the device is turned on, select low mode on the main interface. Click Set to enter the parameter preset interface. Name this test data. Set the target battery pack volume and test pressure. Set the test pressure protection value. Parameters such as leak alarm can be identified in the battery pack service manual. After the setting is complete, click Save in the upper right corner and return to the low mode interface to start the test. Wait for the detection to complete.